Today I'm going to show you how to make my classic Greek recipe for Tyropitakia. Those are the little phyllo triangles filled with feta cheese and a few other great ingredients. Let's get started. I have everything I need right here. My feta, a little olive oil, an egg, a little bit of lemon because I like to put some zest in the filling, and some fresh mint. You just want to get tough stems off. That's what I'm doing here. And I just picked this from a plant on my balcony. Okay, just chopping that up. A little lemon zest. This is a lemon actually from my garden, so it looks a little weird. It doesn't look like a perfect lemon, but it smells like a perfect lemon. And I just want a little bit of the zest. It cuts through both the tanginess and the saltiness of the feta, but also cuts through and balances out, the fattiness in the cheese. Next, I'm going to lightly beat the egg. And that goes into the feta mixture. And we're going to mix that all together. Mash it a little bit. And a little black pepper. Our tyropita filling is ready. So we're ready to work on the actual triangles. And I have my phyllo here. I'm going to cut this in half. You want to stack your phyllo. Try to keep it covered to keep it from drying out while you work. So we take our first strip of phyllo. I want to make small triangles. Fold that in half. These are going to be truly bite-sized. And we want to get enough of this mixture to make a ball. And we want to put that in the middle. And then you take the corner and you fold this up into a right triangle. Then you take the point and you fold that up again along the edge. So the ultimate goal is to make a pretty good right triangle, and that is the perfect size tyropitaki. Off these go into the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes or so until they're nice and puffy and golden. So flaky, tell you.